Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Allstate Mobile how to add a vehicle. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Allstate Mobile app, and then be sure to be logged into your account as well. Then you can also head over and open up your browser, and then on the search bar type in Allstate support or simply Allstate, and then tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now once you tap on it, you'll be redirected to the home page of the Allstate. Now on the top right corner you'll be seeing the login option. Simply enter in your login details. Now once logged in, all you gotta do is go to your policy section, then tap on manage vehicles under it, and it might be under the policy management or settings. Then you'll be prompted to enter the information about your vehicle such as make and model, vehicle identification number, and then year, odometer reading, insurance options. Then after entering vehicle details, review the information and confirm the addition. Ensure the new vehicle is covered under your existing policy, or if you need to update your coverage options. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.